वेलकम बैक टू चाय चैट विद लवीना। और अब मेरे साथ वो लोग हैं जो यहाँ घर खरीदने की मंशा से आए हैं। सो लेट मी फर्स्ट बिगिन बाय आस्किंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच मुझसे बात करने के लिए। वी गोइंग टू हैव सम चिट चैट अबाउट व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बाय अ हाउस इन इंडिया नाउ? यू लिव हियर?
I live here, but we have plans to move away to India very soon, sooner or later, soon as we have kids. Because raising my kids with all the traditions is what matters to me. Celebrating festivals with my family, what matters to me. So we are moving to a very near future.
Okay, so I consider you a husband and wife. And where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
I'm from Hyderabad.
You're from Hyderabad. Love marriage, I suppose. And come here for IT?
Yes, I'm an IT professional. Yeah.
I can sense that. I can sense this whole Hyderabadi sector coming, this south producing ITs for the world. So, matlab, you want to earn here, but don't want your kids to grow here, have on with tradition and all of that. That's what is making you buy.
It's not about earning here. I came here for a career. I built my career now. It's time to move back and then use my career rather than I can't. There's a saturation point for my career. So I think I've done enough. I've done well now. It's time to move on and then.
You agree? You'll be with him?
Totally. Yeah, I want my kids to grow up with my parents and the way we grew up in India. So definitely I want my kids to grow up with my parents and his mother and, experience every single thing that we've experienced. So definitely, yeah.
So, I mean, it's very interesting, and this can be called the reverse brain drain. So, you don't want to live in the UK, you want to branch out, get back to India again.
Yes.
Very positive, huh?
Yeah.
It's just that, or you see India as a hub? Because पहले तो कि भाई exposure मिलेगा, बाहर रहते हैं, and Western world and all that. No more that.
No, exposure मिल गया अभी. Going back to India is.
बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगा ना, वो चलेगा.
Well, they can always come back and for studies and everything. We are quite open to that. It's not we are going back to India, so we'll just be there. No, we are quite happy for them to come back for pursue their education and masters or anything there. Absolutely.
But have to go back. Thank you very much. I was not ignoring you. Absolutely not. Huh? Don't think. Now, what makes you come here and buy a house? Do you want to buy?
The main reason is the family is the main reason. We are the first generation here, and for my children, I always send during the vacation time to India. Now my daughter is in India for summer holiday, and there's the main reason is we want to go back. Everyone now is globally developed. It's not like India. I came in 2002. There was a lot of difference, but if I see back, we are in the when I compare to India now, we are in the back. India is developing a lot, and especially my children are very happy.
So you want to go back to India and settle there?
Yeah, settle there.
My
Yeah.
God, I'm meeting a lot of brain drain. I have to do a special show, chai chat on brain drain.
Yeah, my son is he's studying. Yeah, actually I sent him secondary school to India. He's studying in India. He studied up to primary. Now, yeah, after his university, he may go wherever he want. But
So grounding in India is important. Even if you are living here, you want to send your parents had your kids.
yeah.
Fantastic. And you?
Same thing, India is our origin. So, end of the day, we want to settle down in India. We definitely want to earn everything, career, everything here. But end of the day, peace is in India because we are from India.
So let's use this country and then go back to our roots.
Colorful. I can say India is a very colorful country compared to here. Weather-wise, people go depression, and every morning when you wake up, depends on the weather, you change your mind. It's like that. But India, whenever you see, you have seasons. You can identify the seasons, and the main thing, colorful life. We are missing a lot. Then we have back home like lot of memories. My children, if I grow, they're like primary, up to primary, my son don't have any memory. Like, at that time we used to go uncles, aunties, daddies, everybody house when we were children. But nowadays the children are missing all those. When they grow up, they don't have stories to tell. I used to go summer vacation, this place, that place. Then
I'm almost getting nostalgic. I want to go back listening to all of you. So would you be looking at investment as well in any city particularly you would want to choose?
Yeah, absolutely. I think because we've bought a home now definitely we want to invest in India as well. We know the property market in India is just booming. There's no stop to it. So definitely investments in different cities. My brother, he's already got an apartment in Pune, so that could be one of the potential place where we could be looking at. Bangalore, Hyderabad, because he's got his base there as well. So yeah, this is just the first step. So
And would you be having any base here in the UK at all?
Yes, yes, because although I say I'm Indian by heart, but document says I'm still British now at the minute. So I'd be still coming over here at least once every 2 or 3 years to work for 5 to 6 months. Same time, it's going to be a holiday for my wife and for my future kids as well. So that's what I'm thinking. More, I'm not going to cut my ties.
Best of both worlds you want. Hey, you want to have your cake and eat it too. And you're having to do that.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, totally agree.
That's fantastic. Very good. Now, quickly, one line for Brand India, one line for UK. How do you see both the countries?
Since UK has come out of EU now, I think we have more potential of having a big relationship both economically and financially and educationally as well with India. So I can see both countries having good tie-ups in the near future.
I see both your legs in both the boards.
Yeah. You too? Yeah, agree with that because obviously India is again someone who comes from India, settled here for some time. For us, both places are equally special, but then obviously we want to keep ties both places. So absolutely both of them, yeah.
Fantastic. You?
Yes, both have its own importance because after coming here as from a teacher, I grown to as IT. I learned so many things after coming here, and it's given so many opportunities to learn as well. Yeah, it has its own.
But you're going to go back. But what is India for you in this?
It's a family because I said I'm the first generation here, except friends.
And you'll go back for good.
Yeah, for good. Yeah.
For good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay.
My priority goes to India, but however, I feel we need to enjoy each and every country. Every country is special, so we have to enjoy all the cultures, all the everything. But end of the day, I give priority to India. But I love going to each and every country, have fun, and I really love relaxing in India.
I get it, India. I get it. Thank you, everyone, very much. It's so heartening and it's such an educating thing for me as well to see that people, wherever they are now living in the UK, they always want to get back to their roots because फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, and I think that doesn't change for any one of us wherever we go. So how did you like this chai chat? Please do write to me on my Twitter handle at Lavina Tandon or on email chaichat@aajtak.com. Please stay tuned. Thank you very much for your support. God bless, take care, and I see you next week with yet another episode. Bye.